update, what we are breaking for our viewers right now. This is the development that has now taken place. What we are getting to know that sirens and explosions once again has been heard in Jammu. Now it is where, as far as when it comes to the first round of firing, that was reported as far as when it comes to the interception of these drones that are concerned. Times Now has been getting you these deferred pictures that have been playing because this is a matter that concerns national security. So no live coverage that can come to our viewers with regards to the operations that are now being conducted. But this is where Pakistan has been hit the hardest, as far as Pakistan that has been targeting other civilian areas as well. My colleague Pratibha is also with us here in the studios, and Pratibha, we are currently joined with Tejshri. Tejshri, what's the update?
These are the continuous sound of explosion that we are hearing. You can just hear it. Not just one but multiple explosions could be heard over here. The sirens we could hear, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are all the sounds that we are hearing, and what we are getting to know is that Pakistan is again getting into this unprovoked firing. That was firing plus mortars were also fired. Not just that, but as Amita was also mentioning that Pakistan first started with attacking via drones. It was an attempt by Pakistan to attack via drones over here at the Jammu airport, but it was a failed attempt, and on and on. Now in fact, even after hours when Pakistan failed, can you hear the sound of firing? That's the sound of firing that we have been hearing over here. So definitely Indian Army has been giving a befitting reply, has been retaliating appropriately for this unprovoked firing from the side of Pakistan. It's 5 a.m. in the morning, and you see again Pakistan has started this unprovoked firing, and India has given a strong message that no matter what, if Pakistan initiates such kind of unprovoked firing, India will be giving a befitting reply, and that's the kind of reply that India has been giving since Pakistan has launched its drone attack and missile that were intercepted completely here in Jammu in fact near the area of Jammu airport. And not just that, but also in Jaisalmer as well. Multiple developments took place yesterday night, and in fact we reported entire midnight. We reported entire night, in fact, and at 5 a.m. what we are picking up to the latest is that these sounds could be heard in our background, where it completely again shows that despite being completely defeated, despite being completely rattled, and despite being completely brought down by India, this is the way again Pakistan is resorting to its dirty tactics. Again, starting with unprovoked firing. We reported from Poonch as well yesterday. Entire day we reported from Poonch and showed you that how there was a cowardly attempt by Pakistan over there, because Pakistan was targeting civilians. And here I would also like to mention that as of now, as we report from Jammu, however we are reporting in fact from an undisclosed location because of the security reasons. But yes, there is still blackout in this entire area. There were some areas where there was no power cut. There was some but now in fact again there's a power cut in this entire area after there were sirens heard, and now we just heard the sound of the firing and also the mortars being fired over here.
Okay, so the mortar firing has continued, and in fact even as Tejshri was speaking, we could also hear sirens in the background, and the blackout continues to be enforced in multiple areas. We are breaking updates now coming in for an official word at 10.